What it do, what it be, what it is, it's your girl Serena back with another video. Today, your girl is going to be doing a what's on my iPad video. I hadn't really, when I used my iPad, it wasn't organized. Now it's organized. iPad 9th generation. I really do want the 10th gen. I don't know, I just feel like it would look nicer, but I have this and it works just fine. It works just like how the other one is. It just doesn't have the home button. I also have an Apple Pencil. And I just feel like what would be the point in me spending more money? Like, what would be the point of me spending more money just for me to be getting the same features? So I'm gonna get into my case, which is dirty. But I have this case. Let's see if you can, yeah. I have this case and it has strawberries on it and it has a cow at the bottom. And I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. So first I have my home screen and it has God's plan on it, and it has Isaiah 60:22, which says, "When the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen." Y'all know how I get about my Lord Jesus. So Jesus Christ, my Savior. So I just constantly have reminders of him on my iPad to just keep me grounded and make me remember who I am. Like, I am nothing without God. So let's go to the widget side first. So on my widgets, I have the batteries. So I have my iPad battery, which is at 100. I've been having my iPad charged all day. I don't play that. Today is Groundhog Day, but I have the little calendar to keep up with my school. Then I have verse of the day, and the verse of the day today is Matthew 6:11. It says, "Give us today our daily bread." Then I have Apple Music, which this is my best friend's playlist, but I also have my own playlist, but this is my best friend's playlist, and it has What Would Jesus Do? And so it has a whole bunch. So now we have a year in review, and that's just my friend Anthony. Don't mind too much, but that was a time, can't lie. We have my first widget that says never too fly to pray, because yeah, we're humble over here, Bookie. And then I'm pretty sure the blah 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 is my Blackboard, which I don't know if I want to open that. Yep, it's Blackboard. Okay. Then I have YouTube, which as you can see, I was watching Dance Moms. Like, that is nothing new. And this is my channel, Serena Elise. Make sure that you guys subscribe. Stop playing. Like, stop playing. You're gonna love it here. You're gonna love it here, so you might as well just subscribe. So these are the videos. Yep, I have 172 subscribers. And as you can see, I've been watching shorts and stuff, but that's YouTube. Then I have Safari. I use Safari a lot, but I use it more on my phone. But I found out that the phone and the iPad connect. So like, if I'm searching something on my phone, it could be connected to the iPad. I like that. I like how Apple has like the things that can go through, like they connect to each other, the connectivity. Then I have verse Romans 12:12 that says, "Be joyful in hope, patient in affection, and faithful in prayer." Romans 12 is one of my favorite chapters because it really shows you like how to go about life, like in a sense. I feel like Romans 12, when I read Romans 12, the time period that I was in was like, I was very evil spirited, didn't forgive. Like, it just wasn't a pretty sight, Bookie. So I learned like forgiving and like leaving it in God's hands. Like, I don't need to seek vengeance because God will seek vengeance for me. That's Romans 12:19, Bookie. But we have Romans 12:12 because I have like just being hopeful and affectionate and leaving and being just faithful to God. Yeah. Then I have CapCut, which me and CapCut go together so bad, but it's sort of like I'm gonna have to like officially switch to Adobe Premiere Pro, because y'all, when CapCut got taken away, I was in a frenzy. Like, I didn't know what to do. I heard Video Note is another good editing app, but I'm just not too sure about that. Then we have Canva. Canva is where I make most of my projects. I have another page, it's called It's Time to Speak On, and it just, yeah, I make all my projects here. So like when I'm doing graphics, when I'm doing school, when I'm doing a whole bunch of things, like I use that. Yeah, so when I'm making my thumbnails, you can see the Bible study video, which if you haven't checked that out, you should. But I made my thumbnail in Canva. I used Canva from like 2020, and then it started blowing up because people didn't know about Canva. People was using PixArt, which shout out to PixArt. They're not bad, but Canva gives more for free. So I was sitting here and I was like, oh, in Canva does little outlines, and I said, I know that's right. So yeah, Canva is just that girl. And they just give me a little they give me a pro version for free for 30 days. I know that's right. Next, I have a photo of me from my birthday photo shoot. And I really like that photo. There's so many photos that I actually did not get to use. So I've just been like figuring out what I'm gonna do with that. So I think I put it here. I also have more photos on my phone that I like have scattered. If you wanna what's on my iPhone, that might be tea. That might be tea. Yeah, so I have music again. This is the top picks for me. I don't know why it's showing me these drill music artists. No. But I also don't listen to music on my iPad as much as I do on my iPhone. Then we have another widget that says Forever That Girl, the end. And I am. And what about it? And is. Then I have the calendar. I just like seeing the days. I just like the way that it is. I went for the black theme because I really just feel like, as you can see, it does what it needs to do. Then I have a widget that says Young with Big Goals because I am. I'm 22 and I feel like my goals, I feel like people my age though just have like big goals in themselves. Like I feel like Gen Z is really like striving for a lot. But yeah, I'm young with big goals and I'm not sad about it. Then I have my gallery. Yeah, the photo gallery. Then I think the money one, that's the thing, like it doesn't show their names at the bottom, which if somebody can help me, comment down below how you do that, how to turn back on the names, because that would really help me. I think the money one is YouTube Creator Studio, even though I'm not monetized. Yeah, my money, because I'm gonna be a content creator. Like it's just bound to happen. Like to see the personality. Like I just feel like, you know, like I'm made for the camera. Then I have good notes. This is how I take my notes. I'm gonna see if I could show you. Okay, so like this is a perfect example. So I have all of my school stuff. So I have fall, I have my personal one that has the Bible journal in it. Yeah, my little Bible journal. Then I have, pretty sure this one was a recent one, yes. And this was from Advanced News Writing and Reporting. Yeah, so I use it for school as well as, yeah, I use it for school as well as like personal things. But Good Notes, it does cost money on the App Store, but I do recommend it. Then I have OneDrive. This is where I keep all my documents and my photos. Like it backs up your photos. It's good. And I have Microsoft 365, which holds all your documents too, and it like you're able to edit it. So that comes with Excel, it comes with Word, it comes with all the stuff. Then I have the App Store because I feel like with the App Store I'm never able to really find it. So I feel like if it's on the main screen, you know, it does what needs to be done. Then I have 2 apps, and these 2 apps, 2 game apps, because when I first got my iPad, I was not about to play no games. When I got it, it was for school, so I was going to keep it as just a school thing. But you know, girls need to have fun. Like, a girl need to have fun. I'd be stressed in school. Yeah, so this one is like a little food truck game. I'm going to show you how to play it. and it's on Apple Arcade. I get Apple Arcade free with my phone service, so shout out Verizon. But this is Food Truck Pup Plus, and so basically I'm gonna show you how to do it. As y'all can see, I got some money on $22,475. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see your stats, my boy. Oh, you're good, you're good. Okay, so we're gonna go get the tickets, you see? So you basically tap them, give them the tickets, they're gonna come get you. Oh. So we're gonna do these ones quickly. We're gonna, you see, this is my problem. I be seeing so many people, but we're gonna show you. Okay, so you ready? So we're gonna put the crepes. That's what we're making. We're making crepes. Put the crepes there. Take the strawberries, put the strawberries there, give them that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like, you give them the drink, right? Okay, I'm sorry. Y'all, when I get into my zone with these games, bruh, like, I really don't play no games when it comes to this. I really don't play no games when it comes to this. Alright. I think that would be the last person. Yep. So that's how you play it. And then, like, let's go back. So now you're seeing, like, his stats might be low. So you could, like, make him go to sleep. And he'll go to sleep. Cool. Until it goes back. And then you go here. You're clean, right? Then we have the Hello Kitty game. If y'all don't know the Hello Kitty game, y'all gonna have to search that. That's just a whole, not that I stopped playing it. I played it. This is another Apple Arcade game, but I stopped playing it because it was getting me mad. It was getting me mad, and I'm gonna play it again. But just, yeah, it was at a certain time where I was, yeah. We just not even gonna get into it. But I love my girl Hello Kitty and Karomi and Melody. Y'all not messing with them. Then, I have another widget. As y'all can see, God is a centered theme in this. And my God, thank you to my God. Like, and my man, thank you to my man. And my God, thank you to my God. Yeah, because we get praises around here. We get praises to the Most High. Hello. All right. Then, as you can see, we got one more slide, and then I'm gonna go into the app library, but there's not that much. So we have another widget that says worry about nothing and pray about everything, Philippians 4:6. And yeah, just pray, don't worry, don't pray and worry. Yeah. Then I have another widget that shows all the songs that, like, I was listening to at the time. Then we have Max and Netflix. On Max, I'm watching The Secret Sex Lives of College Girls. On Netflix, I'm watching Selling Sunset and iCarly. And then we have YouTube again, and we have Paramount, we have Disney Plus. These are just all the streamings. I also have Prime Video, but yeah, I don't know. Then I have VLLO. This is another good editing app, and it's free, and it gives you a lot. And then you can also pay for services, and you only have to pay one time, and then you're good. Then I have settings, and I have this puzzle game. Y'all, I'm obsessed with puzzles. I don't play no games when it comes to these puzzles. For real. Play no games. It's another Apple Arcade. Like, Apple Arcade has some good games. Like, if you like playing games, Apple Arcade is where it's at. Can't lie. I'm looking at it now. Like, all my games are Apple Arcade. I think I had another one. I had Good Pizza too. That's another cool little app. This is loading funny here. Come on. All right. So I'm 50% complete with this puzzle. This is the puzzle I'm doing right now. So you can just drag it. It'll tell you if it's wrong. It'll tell you if it's right. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. That's a puzzle game. Then we go in here. This is like school, and it says I Heart School. So we have Blackboard. We have Google Drive. We have Good Notes. And we have Files. Down here, Content Baby. Yeah. We got Canva, we have VLLO, we have Eraser, background eraser. Then we go to the app library. This is where it get chaotic, y'all. Okay? We have Calculator from recently added. We have Notion. We have Notion Calendar. We have VK. VK is where I get my free books. which if you want a tutorial on that, I could do a little shorts on that. That would be cute, that would be quick. I have Disney Plus, Hulu, Lifetime, Max. I have music, Netflix. I don't know what app this is. Oh, Peacock. I have Paramount Plus, Peacock, and I have Prime Video. Then I have Spotify, Tubi, Apple TV, and YouTube. Then on utilities, I have the App Store. I have Calculator again. I have Clock. I have Color Widgets, which is how I made this. I have Find My iPhone and Fonts, Passwords, Safari, Settings, and Voice Memos. Then for photo and video, I have my camera, Canva, CapCut, photo, like background eraser. I have the camera, the gallery. I have PixArt, and I have VLLO and Creator Studio. Then productivity, I have the calendar, I have contacts, I have Google Docs, Google Drive, Files, Good Notes, all of the apps that I basically talked about. Yeah, and then I have the Holy Bible and Pinterest, and then my school app, and then books. And these are the books that I've been reading. We're gonna show it quick. I've been reading A Woman's Guide to Spiritual Warfare. And then I've been reading Purpose Driven Life, Don't Believe Everything You Think, and If He Had Been With Me. That's what's on my iPad. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. Comment what you want to see next. Comment what you want, like what you want this channel to be like more of. What you've been feeling to see. You know, like I wanted to give you what you want. Okay, I'm going to be like the next 2 weeks will be focused on school content, getting my life together, those type of things. So look out for those videos. I'm gonna try to make this me uploading twice a week, y'all. Hold me accountable. Follow me on social medias so that y'all can hold me accountable. Talk to me. Like, let me be like, girl, where's that video? But yeah, I love you guys very bad. Love y'all bad. Love y'all real bad. And I hope to see y'all in the next video. Comment down below what iPad you want to get, and if so, what color. If you want this iPad, let me know. Just have a conversation with me, chit chat. Okay, bye guys.